All right, happy Monday. Can you believe it's already February? All right, so today I want you to start off we're going to look at some vowel sounds. So the first thing I need you to do is you're going to click on this slide here, and it'll go through the sounds for you. So it'll go through the A sounds for long. You'll click on this and you can hear it, and it gives you 2-word examples. And you'll click on these as well. And it gives you sounds for not only the long sound but also the short vowel sound. Now I'm doing this because this way, instead of just me saying it in the video, you can go through it at your own pace, but also you can go back through them and listen to them again as you're completing your assignment. So we have A, we have E, I, O, and U. And each of them, like I said, you'll click on these, you'll click play, and you'll hear the sound that the vowel makes, but then you can also hear these words. So unicycle and ukulele. And umbrella has a short vowel sound. But these are all great examples. When you're done going through this, you'll click back over here and you'll go through our vowel sounds. Now I know this looks like a lot. See, there's more than what you can see here. Sorry, guys. I know this looks like a lot of words and you're probably panicking a little bit, but don't. I'm going to give you today as well as tomorrow to do this because there is a lot of words. Now, let's scroll up so we can read the instructions. So we're going to sort the words by their short, long vowel sound that they have in the first syllable. So you can drag these into the right category, or you can type them into the correct boxes, whichever you prefer. So, happen. So our first syllable is hap. Ah, ah. That is a short syllable. And it's the short syllable A. So, like it said in the directions, we can drag it like this, or we can just type it like this. Personally, I think, let's undo this. Nope. Personally, I think I would drag it so I know that I actually use all. Maybe. Maybe typing it might be easier. Goodness, Miss H. Let's see if she can do it this time. There we go. I think that if you can drag it, I would do that so you know that you are getting all of your words placed. Okay? Now, all of the words have a home. There's not going to be leftover words. So it says that the short I sound, there's only going to be 2 words. The long I sound is only going to have 2 words. There, as many words as there are is how many words there are going to be. So let's do let us. Let us. Let is our first syllable, and is our short E. Let me see, I'm trying to do let's do some long syllables. Let's do ice. Ice is only 1 syllable, and that I is I. It says its name, so it's a long syllable sound, and so it'll go here. Now, I know I haven't done too many of them for you. There is a lot left, but like I said, I'm giving you 2 whole days to do this, and I do not want to give you the answers to this. I want you to be able to do this. Now, if you reach words that you don't know or you don't know how to say, let me know. We can do a Google Meet at any time. Just email me. But if you get stuck, I want you to go back to the vowel sound. If you get stuck on the U's, play that U sound. Play that U sound. That doesn't help. Listen to it. See, it says ukulele. So a lot of the long, if I could speak, long vowel sounds say their name. So the long E sound says their name, as in eraser and eagle. So that should really help you. And if we get stuck again, let's say I don't know how to say this word, let's copy it. We should be able to go to Google. And you can say pronunciation like I just did. And you can play it, see? Puppet. So it even breaks it up. This would be my first syllable, the So puppet, Let's see if I can get back to where I need to be. Let's put Doesn't say you. Or why did I move breezy? Maybe typing it would be better for Miss H. We were talking about puppet. Let's try that again. There we go. So if you get stuck, there are plenty of resources. Like I said, you can go back to Google it and you'll just type, let me move my screen here so you can see everything. I just typed the word, or I copied and pasted it, and then you put pronunciation, which means how you say it, and then Google will help you saying it. And if, say, you can't hear what it's saying, we can turn it on to where it's even slower. So it slows it down a little bit so you can listen to that first syllable sound if you really need to. And like I said, you can go back and forth between your slides, listening to the sounds and examples, and our worksheet here. If you guys need any help, make sure you reach out. Now I believe there are 30 words here, so it'll be a 30-point assignment, which is one of our bigger assignments, which is why you have 2 days on it. But I do want you to take your time on it, and I'm going to take these off of this on your slide. So when you don't see happen here in the short A, it's not because it's wrong. It's because I'm trying to make sure that everyone is actively watching my videos. So if you're watching my videos, congratulations, you instantly get 4 points. See how easy that was? Now, I'm going to let you work for the rest of your points, but if you need any help, there is Google, there is our Google Slides, and there is me. You can email me. Have a wonderful day. And if you happen to be watching this on Tuesday because we didn't log in on Monday, make sure you get this assignment done. All right. Have a wonderful day, you guys. Bye.